You eat now. You are just pinching this thing.
Please don't worry me. I'm eating.
So how are you going to finish this thing now so that we'll leave?
I'm a queen in my house, so don't worry me. Let me eat.
Wait. This is how you eat in your house.
Have you washed your hand? What is that? You even need to give me fork and knife.
For Pando?
Yes, now. Oh, this one is too big. Gosh.
Wait, this is not how you cut this thing. If you want to eat, you cut it like that. Wait, this one is too big.
In fact, I'm not eating again. Waiter! Please come help me to package this food.
You say what?
I want to give it to my dog. Please be fast.
You never see anything.
Please be fast. Package it. Thank you.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Okay, baby. I'll be here waiting for you. Love you. Bye.
Omo, that your boyfriend is lucky.
Yes, I know. You would have been this lucky if you asked me out first.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said what I said. You would have been this lucky if you asked me out first.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Coming, ride it 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 coming.
Will you be my girlfriend? Will you be my girlfriend?
Come get away, kiss me, please come here. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Yes, I will be your girlfriend. Yes.
Wait. Who is this guy?
How don't mind this one, Jerry? He's like a brother to me.
Interino
All life now. Shaman, I want fresh out. You just come. Wow.
Stop this thing. I know the shop card. Hey! Sydney, you sabi, huh? You're here? Yes. She told me to come here, that this place is for special people. So if you are here, then you are special.
Yeah!
Wait. Did you follow the front door? No, I came in through the back door.
Ah, you're a bad guy.
You don't know where you did. You have to get out.
Sydney, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're good?
Yeah. I'm good. Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Hey, baby. Are you here? Yeah, come in. Come in, baby. Oh my god, this is so cute.
This is something nice.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come, let's go.
Up in your room once again, tempted.
You can't.
Bad for me, it's the truth, but I can't resist this. Don't tell my friends that I'm here.
Alright, Sydney. See you later, bro.
You did it, scar.
Bro, I don't get the mind. Check this result. I go short, I swear. God, God.
I just check this thing. There's nothing wrong with that short.
Say, make I go short. I was not short too. Me, I don't promise my babe say I go talk. I'm a liar. Me, with my mama short, my papa short. Oh, God.
If you look at my guys.
Boys, how far now?
How far
Now don't check your results.
I mean, I just checked my own. Now 5'10" I will be.
5'10" makes sense now.
Yeah,
Now medicine you want study, so you don't need tall like that now.
Waiting be your final height.
Oh man, I did that kind 6'5".
Yo, bro, that's
Bro,
crazy. That's
I
like that's NBA tall, bro.
almost sharp, but my popsy talk say if I fit past 6'2", then savvy person if you plug me in that kind of level. Yeah. What did they do this guy?
Then they fear saying go short me.
Hey, if you go short, what happen? Should be whiskey the short and killing it.
So Shane and Whiskey, me I study for school, or I want become Whiskey. Don't sympathize with me. Don't sympathize with me. I think I just did.
Yo, bro, how far now? Are you good? You don't check your results.
I don't see Amo.
What thing can do?
6 feet.
Wow, 6 feet what?
6 feet under. I didn't make it to adulthood. Me.
How far? You don't check him.
I'm short.
You short.
In fact, I'll be shorter than this. I might be short, but my life wasn't cut short. 5'5", but I'm alive. I survived. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
No matter how short you are, you get out, you will see the sky.
Babe, yeah? Your boyfriend wants to shift my pants. And I don't even know how to wear this one you got for me. Alright. Jack, you wear pants, Abby?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, show her how to wear the pant. Is that fine? Wait though. Those new ones you have upstairs, why don't you wear them? My boyfriend got me pants because you know I don't wear pants. But you know your dad doesn't like me on pants now, so. Alright, bye.
What's what they do for you? Hey!
I want you to hear of this.
How you don't know me?
Hey, Jack.
Ma?
You know how to shift pants, Abby, because you don't have any idea about it.
Yes.
Alright, now when you are done, you come upstairs.
He shock you.
They see you.
Let's be poor. Breathe.
You're the last person, right? Please, I'm behind you. Call me when it's my turn. Hey, I'm behind him. Didn't you tell him? I told you to call me when it's my turn.
Better go back.
I'm going to the withdraw.
Please, I'm behind him.
You die me too, yeah? Go to the back. Everybody's in the back. Go to the back.
I'm behind him.
Join the queue.
Hello.
Get out.
You're just coming. I'm behind him. Oh my God.
All these guys, once now don't get nyash, now not get respect again, idiot. Get out!
God will punish you.
God will punish your nyash.
Waka.
Check it.
I got the advice from a madman.
I been a junior boy. Senior boy, wait to. Who should that one start me the carry woman the come share my ass? Because junior boy no get sense. You no get sense. Maybe like say they pick money like this now. Two work now they pay me like this. Philippines and UK work they pay me. Inside this week now I don't collect two money. See, let's say have you never hear what Shema talk? Never Shema talk say anybody say they get a clear with let's say they collect money they full on share slip and that be guy go fit carry any kind of woman won't carry the office there. Two work now they pay me like this. Philippines and UK work they pay me. Inside this week now I don't collect two money. They bomb them so they grind me see me official for fine. Me for carry better win let's say let me tell you classic ladies they grind. See a broke boys don't deserve no pussy they just they grind maybe like say you they carry women. You understand what I tell you abi? They get a clear to my Philippine and my UK work. If you say it's easy to catch UK work abi Philippine work, you go grind you because broke boys don't deserve no pussy. They hear me? They grind. Maybe let's go abeg. Forget that one. Who be that? Sherman, I'm a junior boy. Come in, sir. Where's the apple? Sherman, good evening. Good evening, Alpha. Sherman, I don't understand the rubbish me they go on for this house. What's the apple? Just yesterday, my senior boy collect £100. Not just a misbehave for what now? Can you one woman come the ask. I tell her say, senior, but why you go carry girl come share my ass? He tell me say, man, no question now. Say whether na him be new packer. Me maybe your brother, but never fit do that rubbish now. Shema talk something.
What do you concern?
But Shema, it's supposed to concern me now. Now your ass, so you need.
Now your ass. Eh?
No.
He the packer now. He the get her clear with me now. Or now he take dinner. He's skin full now this period now. I've been to say collect 2 wines this week. I'm not talking before everybody they get her clear with me. For this HK, this is not my office. I have my rules and regulations. Shut up your man, not talk anything. Yeah? For this HK, if you do anything you like, any kind of thing where you like, this ass, as long as you get that clear with me. When money speak, you know what I mean. Money stop nonsense. Right? If na me be you, shut up, not talk anything. If na me be you, eh? I'll go start that girl with
Jesus.
You don't get the girl, drink.
The girl enter the house, he not greet me.
Make her greet you. I know before. Go give her for 13 hours, make her feel comfortable. Serve the drink. Serve, make sure you serve the very well. Make the deal, okay. You know what I mean now. Go now, they waste my time.
Okay, me senior, but
I say go 13 hours, me balance, stay worry you. Give the food, me the shop. Make the deal, okay. You know what I mean. Go now. Try the bomb.
Hello. Hello. Skin like milk. Hibiscus flower. Dubai beauty. Active beauty. Hello, my friend. Queen in disguise. Dubai angel. Boy. See this man why they owe money you. This man no can catch me here. Hey! Shay! Hey! That's why for you to pay debt one no bargain. I must get this girl number. If I get this girl number, all my problem is solved. Half solved. See beauty now. Beauty in disguise. I go wait for that girl here. She go pass here. Okay.
You cannot do that.
Hello. Hello.
You again. What's your problem?
My problem is your number. When I see you, I see a cloud of love. When I see you, I don't see you. I see an hibiscus flower that is greenish in color. Look at how your love is pulling me down. I am shaking like a tree which is about to be cut. Please. Please, your number.
You must be very stupid.
I'm stupid for love.
Hey! Don't disturb me. I'll give it tomorrow.
Hello. Spanish princess.
Please.
Look at beauty now. Eh? Look at her waist is wiggling and tangling. I must get this girl number. Okay. Shay.
Michael.
Eh? Shay. Alpha.
What are you doing here?
My little niece poured water on this foam, so I want to dry it.
Man, shake on the back. Which little niece? Hey! I said make you dry foam where you piss on top. You say little niece. Who is this girl?
Mommy, she's my classmate, mommy.
Which classmate? Don't enter school. Which day enter university?
I never enter, mommy.
Do you know this boy? Maya has been asking me for my number since. Oh, for her number? Eh? Small boy like you for her number. Oh yeah. What is that? I'm not here. Don't mind him. They are just small boy. Don't worry. He got no from me today. He got home. So you don't pursue woman. I be kneel down. Madam, no hundamo. Na small boy. So you don't pursue woman.
Mommy, never me cause I'm. She see me when I pass. Say me I give her my number. Say I be fine boy.
Jesus.
Fine boy for real. So all this morning devotion what they teach, you know they apply anyone. I will not talk. See you come back first.
You have to have capacity.
This world can be something else.
Ashawo boy.
madam.
Hey, but Clinton, no come today. I don't send down your credit for you today. Wait till happen. You want way back for the past 1 week, you don't pay them. They send it to me for this paper.
Madam, which one? You know what you want buy?
That's what they do.
Life no be like that. You know tomorrow. Bros, I beg come. Bros, come. I beg come. What they do like that now? Bros, what you want buy self? Gerium sulfite.
Which one be Gerium sulfite again? I tell you, no be Gary one buy.